we'll guide you through how to make an Asana project public to contractors. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Asana website. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, open the project that you want to manage. When the project page appears, click the Project drop-down menu to access additional project options. From the drop-down menu, select Project Settings to open the Settings panel for the project. Inside the Settings area, open the Privacy tab to manage the visibility and access options for the project. Locate the project access settings within the Privacy section. After finding the access settings, select Public to Organization to make the project visible to members within your organization. Once this option is selected, review the visibility settings to confirm that the project is configured according to your requirements. If a Save Changes button appears, click Save Changes to apply the updated privacy settings. After the changes have been saved, open the Share window for the project. In the Share window, invite your contractors to the project by entering their email addresses in the invitation field. After adding the contractors, assign the appropriate permissions to determine the level of access each contractor will have within the project. Make sure the permissions match the responsibilities you want them to have. Once the invitations and permissions have been configured, proceed with the next steps. After changing the workspace, start by creating a project if necessary. Once the project has been created, insert a task inside it to begin organizing the work that will be completed within the project. Add the task to the project and ensure that it appears correctly in the task list. After the task has been added, edit your changed workspace according to your needs.